Have you ever imagined a future where you don't need to look at your phone anymore? Where messages appear right in front of your eyes? Where you can take photos just by blinking? And where AI actually lives inside your glasses, talking to you in real time? Well, that future is not science fiction anymore. It is already starting right now. And today, we are going to compare three of the biggest names trying to dominate this new world: Apple, Xiaomi, and Meta. Three companies, three different visions. One question: which smart glasses are actually better? And which one will shape the future? Stay with me till the end, because the winner might surprise you. Let's start with something important. Smart glasses are not just a gadget. They are trying to replace your phone, your camera, your assistant, and maybe even your screen. So this is not just a comparison. This is a fight for the future of technology. Now let's talk about the first player, Apple. Even though Apple's smart glasses are not fully launched yet, the hype around them is massive. Because whenever Apple enters a new category, it usually changes everything. Think about the iPhone. Think about the Apple Watch. Apple doesn't rush. Apple waits. And then it dominates. Leaks and reports suggest Apple is working on ultra-premium smart glasses that will deeply connect with the Apple ecosystem. Imagine wearing glasses that instantly connect with your iPhone, MacBook, and Siri. Imagine notifications floating in front of your eyes without touching a screen. Imagine talking to Siri, but now Siri is always in front of you. Apple's biggest strength is not just hardware. It is the ecosystem. Everything works together smoothly. But here is the truth: Apple is still not here yet. And in the tech world, timing is everything. So while Apple may be the future king right now, it is still a promise, not a product. Now let's move to the first real competitor that is already in your hands today: Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses. This is where things get interesting. Because unlike Apple, Meta is not waiting. They are already selling these glasses globally. And people are actually using them. These glasses look like normal Ray-Ban sunglasses. But inside, they have a hidden superpower: a camera, a microphone, and most importantly, Meta AI. You can ask questions, take photos, record videos, and even interact with AI in real time. Imagine walking in a city and asking your glasses, "What building is this?" and getting an instant answer in your ear. That is not future. That is now. Meta's biggest strength is real-world usability. You can actually buy it, wear it, and use it today. But it is not perfect. Battery life is limited, and sometimes it still feels like a first-generation product. But one thing is clear: Meta is the first company to truly bring AI glasses into the real world. Now let's talk about Xiaomi. Xiaomi always plays a different game. Where Apple goes premium, and Meta goes social, Xiaomi goes practical. Their smart glasses focus on value, battery, and utility. You get features like real-time translation, smart notifications, scanning tools, and AI assistance. And the biggest advantage: price and battery life. Xiaomi usually gives more features at a lower cost compared to competitors. These glasses are built for everyday practical users. People who don't want hype, they want function. But there is a downside. Xiaomi's ecosystem is not as global as Apple, and availability in many regions is limited. So even if the tech is powerful, not everyone can easily access it. Now here is where things get interesting. We have three completely different philosophies. Apple is building the future, but it is not here yet. Meta is building the present, and it is already working. Xiaomi is building practicality, affordable and useful tech. So the real question is not just which one is better. The real question is, what do you want? If you want the most advanced future experience, Apple is the one to watch. If you want real AI glasses that you can use today, Meta is the clear winner. And if you want value, battery, and practical features, Xiaomi makes a strong case. But let's go deeper. Because smart glasses are not just about features. They are about lifestyle change. Think about it. In the next few years, people might stop pulling out their phones for basic tasks. Instead, they will just look, speak, and receive information instantly. That is the direction we are heading. And whoever wins this space will not just make a product. They will define how humans interact with technology. Now imagine this. You are walking in a foreign country. and your glasses translate every sign instantly. You look at a restaurant menu, and it translates automatically. You receive messages without touching your phone, and you capture memories without lifting a finger. This is not far away anymore. It is already starting. So when we compare Apple, Meta, and Xiaomi, we are not just comparing companies. We are comparing three possible futures. A premium closed ecosystem future from Apple, a social AI-driven real-world future from Meta, and a practical affordable future from Xiaomi. And now the final answer. Which is better? If we are talking about today, Meta wins. Because it actually exists, it actually works, and people are already using it. If we are talking about tomorrow, Apple might take over everything, and Xiaomi will continue to dominate the value segment. But the most exciting part is this. We are still at the beginning. This is version 1 of a completely new technology category. And what we are seeing now is just the start. So now I want to ask you, if you could only choose one, would you go for Apple's future promise, Meta's real AI experience, or Xiaomi's practical power? Let me know in the comments. Because the future of smart glasses is not decided yet, but it is getting closer every single day.